Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Wednesday, August 3rd, 2016. Hope you're having a good trading week. Certainly had a good day on Tuesday. Here's a look at the ES front-month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the S&P 500 in futures form, and we finally made a move. Finally got a little action after 10 days of nothing. It was to the downside, and we certainly had some nice winners here at Tradesight for the session. So we'll take a look a little more deeply at what happened intraday after we go through some of the main daily charts. So crude oil back under 40 bucks to 39.50. Gold up $10.50, almost to a new closing high. S&P cash index down 13.81 for the session. It was lower. NDX down 36.83. It was also lower. There was some news midday about Biogen, BIB, that caused that stock to spike, and that helped the tech sector a little bit. SOX down 12.29. Biotech's up 5.38. That's a new closing high since January, basically. The VIX was up 0.93, starting to curl back up here. The trend closed at 0.85. That brings the 10-day moving average to 1.1, which is not useful. Basically, 2 million shares traded, 2 billion shares traded on the NASDAQ. That's the best volume day since quite a while, not including some options expiration stuff. So that was nice, part of why we made money. Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ, negative 1432, and on the New York, negative 1628. That's a lot of negativity in the markets. Google only lost 82 cents, still hanging near highs. Apple lost $1.57. Amazon lost $7.16, still hanging near highs. Netflix down 81 cents. That was one of our shorts. We made some good money on that for the session. All right, let's take a look at the ES front month futures, and you can see pretty much open flat. We did actually gap down like a point, and we never filled that. So there's a gap remaining. It's small. Then we headed much lower. That was where we made most of our money. Bottomed out over lunch. And then the afternoon was just a slow drift back up on the VWAP and back up to the VWAP area, the midpoint area. Biotech. So you can see that spike bar in the middle of the afternoon with some volume. That was when Biogen had the rumor float. But here's the NASDAQ side also negative, and then bottomed out over lunch. So a good trading day. Strange that more didn't turn up in my scans for tomorrow. I thought I'd find more shorts, but it is basically first day down, so there's no constructive short patterns yet. So we got some new calls in the report for tomorrow. We'll be calling the rest from the tape. In terms of intraday data, we've got the MBA mortgage index at 7 a.m. Eastern. We've got ADP employment change at 8:15. We've got ISM services 30 minutes into the market, and the weekly crude oil inventories number an hour in. Still plenty of data to come this week, including the trade balance and the non-farm payrolls with unemployment rate. Both of those will be on Friday, but other data as well. So hopefully we've got enough here to keep us going. Monday was a little slow. The last 2 weeks have definitely been slow. But as I said, August tends to get exciting. And remember, it was this time last year where everything started to fall apart. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Wednesday.